how to change audio interval in Murf AI. So I'm gonna create a new project. Once you're here, paste your text. And now I'm just gonna show you how this used to sound like.
Birds are a diverse group of animals that come in a wide range of shapes and sizes.
Now I'm gonna add a small pause here. And a bit bigger pause here. Just in some random places so you can hear the difference.
Birds are a diverse group of animals that come in a wide range of shapes and sizes.
Now let me just remove this one because this is just for an example. Now you can also change the speed of everything. So let's say you want it to go a little bit faster. You can do this.
Birds are a diverse group of animals that come in a wide range of shapes and sizes.
Now you can also change emotions by going into general. And let's say I want him to sound sad.
Birds are a diverse group of animals that come in a wide range of shapes and sizes.
You can also kind of manipulate the interval of the sentence by adding random periods and commas. Now let's add a question mark here and an exclamation mark here, just so you can hear the difference.
Birds are a diverse group of animals that come in a wide range of shapes and sizes.
So as you can see, he kind of stopped at the period here, used the comma here, used the period. He raised his voice a little bit when he said that come, and he raised his voice up in the word sizes. So yeah, these are the ways that you can manipulate the intervals of a voiceover. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.